My most important tool in my research is definitely my laptop. It allows me, by logging into the UFZ servers, to carry out some very intense analysis of large dataset, and also it's relevant, for example, for writing articles about results of research and stay in touch with colleagues around the world, for example, video calls and writing emails. At UFZ, within my Emmy Noether research group Compound Climate Extreme, we analyze and study compound weather and climate events such as widespread floods or hot dry summers that can cause wildfires, as well as weather conditions that can challenge the renewable energy system. We analyze observation, climate model output, which are data including hundreds to thousands years of climate data, together with impact models such as full hydrological model to understand how extreme events are behaving, which are their drivers, and also how they are changing because of climate variability and climate change. Recently, we published a work about the extreme drought that affected Europe in the summer of 2022. We found out that human-induced climate change contributed to around 30% of the drought intensity and spatial extent through higher temperature that enhanced the evaporation from the soil. Something very important we discovered is that around 15–40% of this human-induced climate change contribution to the drought was actually due to evaporation due to higher temperature that occurred before the hydrological year of 2022, so well before the droughts. This is very important because it highlights how climate change is silently contributing to reducing the water from the soil, and this is something to keep in mind because this is a mechanism that will intensify also future drought, making them even more extreme. A challenge we face is the communication of uncertainties in the projections, because sometimes this uncertainty can be quite large, and therefore we need to communicate them in an effective way to stakeholders, for example. In this case, in our group, we employ the concept of climate storylines, which allow for visualizing the potential for sometimes divergent evolution of the climate system at a regional scale, so that stakeholders can take into account the uncertainty that there is in the projection so as to develop some robust adaptation skills.